Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check mutual friends on Discord. So follow these steps to view mutual friends with someone on Discord. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and visit Discord web at discord.com. Then click Open Discord and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage, where you can now navigate a couple of options to have an exciting time on Discord. From here, navigate to the left navigation panel and find the user in, number one, you can find it in direct messages. So if you have an active conversation with the user, just go ahead and click on their name. Or number two, you can find the person in the server members list. So if you share a server, find the username in the server members list located on the right hand side of the server. So this is the DM, direct messages. So click on direct messages and it takes you here where you can find your direct messages, or click on the server. And once you click on the server, head over to the top right corner, click on members list. And once you click on members list, you'll be able to find a list of the members. So show member list and you find them. Now go ahead and locate a member. And once you locate a member or locate a user, let's say this is a user, go ahead and right click on their name. And once you right click on their name or profile picture in the DM or the server chat, go ahead and select profile from the context menu. And this will open their user profile card, which you have here. Now in the user profile card, locate mutual friends. So this is me, right? And I will not be able to find the option that says mutual friend from here because this is me. So I'm going to go back and look for something, just look for an anonymous person. So in direct message, so this is an anonymous person, this is not me. Now click on their names and this shows the person. Now in this category that says mutual friends, click on mutual friends tab. It's usually near the top of the card. So now once you click on mutual friends, you see a list of users who are friends with both you and the selected user. So as you can see, no friend in common. So scroll through the displayed list of mutual friends. You can click on any profile in the list to view more details or start a conversation. Now, if you don't see the mutual friend tab, it could mean the user has no mutual friend with you, or they have privacy settings enabled that restrict visibility. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.